Pretty much every Android phone has a little flash like this, which obviously helps when taking photos in low light conditions. But this little flash can also be used as a flashlight, which is super convenient when you need a light source when you least expect it. You can turn on the flashlight through your quick settings, swipe down from the top right corner, and then look for a little flashlight icon. If your quick settings show a combined view of notifications and settings, you can swipe down for a second time, or swipe down with 2 fingers to reveal the full settings panel. If your phone doesn't show a button for flashlight, you can usually add it in. First, you'll tap the little pencil icon up top, and then choose Edit over your buttons. Any button that isn't already included will be available on the bottom of your screen. You can browse the available buttons and add them in with a single tap. Once you add a button, you can tap, hold, and drag it to change its position in your quick settings panel. Another pro tip is that instead of simply tapping the button to turn the light on and off, you can change the intensity by long pressing the flashlight button. Sometimes, depending on your surroundings, you'll want it a little brighter or a bit more dim, and this long press menu allows you to do exactly that. If you're on a Samsung phone like I am, we can also configure the flashlight to the side button of the phone, which allows you to turn it on and off without even looking at your screen. First, we'll go to Settings, and from there, navigate to Advanced Features. Then go to the side button options, and for double press, I can change the action to bring up the flashlight. Now all I need is to feel the phone in my hand. No need to look at the screen or bring up quick settings. Just double tap the side button and the flashlight turns on. Double tap again and it turns off. So, that's flashlight on your phone. Super useful, and personally, this is something I use almost daily. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.